Welcome to my meditation. This is Pam from the Wandering Butterfly. Just going to do a somewhat guided meditation. The idea is just to get super relaxed. Close your eyes, kind of check in with your body, see where your tension might be lying, kind of focus on those places. Start taking some deep cleansing breaths. Really deep in, hold, really blow it out, and focus on blowing that negative, tense, stressful energy. It could be in your neck and shoulders, your low back, legs, wherever the pain is. If you're not in pain, just focus on your breath and just really slowing down, trying to shut the mind off. That's why you'll hear a lot of people say to focus on the breath. So you take in, hold, out. All right, so close your eyes. We're going to begin the meditation now. That was kind of just a practice round. You could sit in a chair, you can lie down on a bed. If you have your feet flat on the ground, or even just at the end of the bed, you can kind of just imagine roots plunging down into the earth, just deeper and deeper. Still kind of focusing on your breath, but wrapping those roots around the soul of the earth. And once you get your roots just deeply, deeply rooted into the ground, start pulling that energy back up through your body, your feet, your ankles, your knees, all the way up through your hips, up through your upper body, into your shoulders and arms and hands, neck, and out through the crown of your head, straight into the sky. Just relax. Focus on your breath. Let the worries of the day melt away. Connect to the universe. Just let go. Surrender. Just give yourself the time to breathe and be wrapped in this wholeness and stillness. If you're getting into that higher state, you should start to feel way more relaxed, letting go of all the stress of the day. Just sink into that.